Hey guys, we have a 2010 Chrysler Sebring with a 2.4 liter engine. Problems we have the check engine light on, and this is the code that we get, P0335 crankshaft position sensor. Symptoms we have is you can turn on the car, drive, everything works fine, but every now and then the car just shuts down. You can turn it back on and keep driving, but like I said, every now and then the car just shuts down automatically. So we have to replace the crankshaft sensor. I'll show you where it is. I'm gonna show you with this so you can see better. It's this cable right here. If you follow it down, it's connected to the crankshaft sensor. So in order to replace it, we have to work from underneath. You can do it from the top. It's just a little bit hard. From underneath, you have more access. More room to see, and it'll be easier. You can remove this. And we have to remove this shield, this one right here. So we have to remove this nut right here, and there should be two more underneath. I'll show you in a little bit. All right, lift up the car with a jack, and it's very important to put a jack stand for safety. Now we can go underneath and I'll show you. All right, we are underneath the car next to the oil pan, and this is the two bolts I was telling you to remove. The one on the bottom is a 13 millimeter, and the one over there in the middle, it's a 10 millimeter. Once we remove those two and the one on top, this shield will come out, and we're going to have more access to replace the crankshaft position sensor, which is this guy right here. It's pretty easy. You should do it easily. So let's get to it. I'm going to be removing this shield. You can remove this nut with a 10 millimeter socket. Okay, once the two bottom bolts are removed and the nut here is removed as well, you can already just wiggle this out, and this part will come out, and you have more access from the bottom, and you can see the sensor better. Okay, there it is. You can remove it using a 10 millimeter socket, but before you remove it, it's better if you disconnect the sensor now, like the cable. That way it will be easier to remove after. So I don't have enough space to record and remove. It's like a tiny space here where I'm working. So just press and pull. It's an easy sensor to remove the cable. So just press and pull. Okay, there, I removed it. It took me no less than 5 seconds. And now using the 10 millimeter socket, you can remove the sensor. Again, I cannot record. I don't have enough room to record, but it's easy. Just put a small ratchet. Let me show you something like this. Small ratchet with a small extension and a 10 millimeter socket. I'm gonna see if I can at least show you a little bit, but I have to bend my phone there. I hope that's a good angle for you guys to see. Okay, there. And now just pull, and it should be able to come up. Wiggle a little bit, and there it comes out. Okay, this is what the hole looks like. That's what she said. Okay, and this is what the sensor looks like right here. So okay, I'm going to go ahead and replace it with the new one. That's the old sensor. This is the new sensor. I'll be putting a link down below where you can buy it on Amazon. If you end up buying it, I get a small commission. You can help me that way too. So yeah, I'm going to put this one in. Okay, before installing the crankshaft position sensor, I'm gonna put some electrical cleaner just in case. You can see it's the connector's a little bit dirty. So using the electrical cleaner should clean this just in case that's the problem. And now just connect the connector. There. That's it. And that's pretty much it. Now what you have to do is put the heat shield back on. Remember, it's just the 2 bolts and the 1 nut. And that's pretty much it. I really hope this video helped you in any way. I really hope it fixed your problem. If it did, please consider subscribing. Let me know down below if it helped you. I'll also be putting a link down below for my PayPal if you want to donate. You don't have to, but that'll help me a lot. And thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.